In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who has access to your files in Google Drive and check sharing permissions, specifically focusing on individual files and folders. This is an essential skill to manage your digital privacy and collaborate effectively while ensuring that your documents are shared only with those you intend to give access to. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account where your files are stored. Once you're in, locate the specific file or folder you want to examine. You can do this by browsing through your folders, using the search bar at the top, or simply scrolling through your drive until you find it. Now, once you've identified the file or folder, right-click on it. A menu will pop up. From this list, you'll want to select the option that says Share. It's important to click on Share rather than other similar-sounding options because that's where you'll access the sharing settings. A dialog box will appear that displays information about who can access this particular item. Pay attention to the section labeled People with Access. Here, you'll find a rundown of all users or groups that currently have access to the file or folder. It will also indicate their permission levels, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Each level provides different levels of control and visibility, so reviewing these can help ensure that only appropriate levels of access are given. For a broader view, look at the General Access section. This part of the sharing dialog provides critical information about the overall accessibility of the file. Check if it's set to Anyone with the link, where anyone who has the link can access it, or if it's restricted, meaning only specific people can view it. Adjusting these settings helps you maintain the balance between collaboration and privacy. There's also an alternative route to gather this information. When you select the file, look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see the Info icon, represented by a small letter I in a circle. Clicking on this icon opens up a side panel. Here, navigate to either the Details or Activity tab. Within these tabs, you'll find additional information about the file, including the owner and other individuals who have access. This method provides a quick overview and can often offer insights into not just current access status, but also past interactions with the file. And that's it for checking who can access your files in Google Drive using these straightforward steps. Remember, consistently monitoring and managing your sharing settings is a critical part of digital housekeeping, allowing you to control your information flow efficiently while minimizing the risk of oversharing. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your digital life seamlessly.